Hey, it's Pete. I'm here with the lovely Miss Andy, as always. And today we'll be heading way back to the 1970s to try Trader Vic's updated Shingle Stain cocktail.
Originally created in 1946, Trader Vic Bergeron revised the Shingle Stain for more modern palates in 1972.
And for today's drink, we're actually going to try to recreate the exact presentation as close as possible with the original drinkware, actually.
What?
And there's a little secret topper you put on top. That's very exciting.
Pretty sure they've already seen the thumbnail, so they've seen the cocktail.
Oh, right. Well, we're making that. You're going to see us make that drink, and it's going to be awesome. But before we get started, I do have a little surprise for you. I feel like, normally when we make these drinks, we should have something to drink while we make the drink. And I bought us something last minute at the grocery store, something that we've never had before. I bought us this. Ooh.
What is that?
That is a Cutwater Tiki Rum Mai Tai in a can.
We just lost all our viewers.
Listen, we've had like 1,000 Mai Tais, thousands of Mai Tais in our life. Many, many Mai Tais. We've never had this Mai Tai.
Oh no.
I don't know what to expect. I'm not endorsed. I just thought, holy shit, we should try this, put it in a glass, and see what it tastes like as we're making an excellent, and we know the Shingle Stain's a great drink. You know it, I know it. We're gonna make it look nice. But in the meantime, we're gonna try this thing.
Wow.
What do you think?
Looks delicious. Let's go for it.
Let's do it. It says this is an island escape with real rum, featuring a blend of award-winning rums with notes of pineapple, coconut, and citrus, garnished with a pineapple wedge to tap into tiki.
Tap into tiki.
Wait, coconut?
Wait, coconut in Mai Tai? What the heck?
It's 12.5%, so it's like two pretty strong beers.
Okay. Cool.
I'm gonna shake it up.
No. I don't think that's a good idea. Oh, that's not a good idea.
That was a great idea.
That was a great idea.
All right, to be fair, let's be fair.
We'll be fair. I don't think we need to be fair.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, if you're gonna have a cocktail, if you want to have like a good experience and a fun time, you make the cocktail from scratch. These canned things, I'm not really terribly familiar with them, but I don't see how this could possibly be as good as like a normal Mai Tai.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I mean, yeah, it's sweet. I don't know what it tastes like.
Oh, it tastes very, I don't know, it tastes very artificial. To me, my palate tastes very artificial.
It's very artificial.
This does not taste anything like a Mai Tai. There is definitely coconut in there.
Definitely taste the coconut. Let's make our real drink.
Let's make a real drink.
Let's do this. Okay, for our drink today, we have lime juice, cranberry juice, pineapple juice, grenadine, Angostura, and a dark rum. We have Appleton 12 today. Measuring cup, yes.
Yes.
Forgetting names of everything.
I know. This Mai Tai went right to my
right to my head.
My head. I'm.
Whoa. You mind.
All right. So.
There's a time and a place, right?
No.
There's a pool somewhere where somebody needs a can of Mai Tai.
You could still make one by the pool.
True.
It's possible.
Fair. That is very fair.
You may.
I may do
the honors.
The honors. All right.
All right. That was 1 ounce of lime juice. Next up, we have
our cranberry juice. Do you want me to pour it?
Boy, what a lovely dress you have. Sure. Yes. Yes.
Thank you. I know, I'm afraid to open the cranberry juice, but this, I'm very proud to say, was actually a gift from my wonderful husband. It's my first Shaheen.
It is.
So yeah. I am very impressed with the cut, the style, the material, everything about it, and I just love it so much. And yeah, this is my first time that I'm actually wearing it, so I'm getting the feel for it. It's a little difficult to move around. but I love it.
I love it. I think it's gorgeous. Yeah, it's a great purchase.
Lovely.
All right, that was 1.5 ounces of cranberry juice. I was pleased to find this waiting for me. This is a gift also from my wife, a little bar cloth vintage from 1979. Look at these lapels. Look at this. Look at that. If this doesn't say 70s, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you.
It's really interesting because there's a little nationwide insurance badge. So we're thinking that it could have been like the shirt that they wore at some nationwide insurance conference. So it's a pretty fun history there, I guess.
Nationwide. It's on my side. Wait, hold on. I have an idea.
Yeah.
What if? Okay.
Uh-oh.
What if? Just put a little bit of this, little doodad.
Yeah, maybe that'll help.
Maybe this will help.
By the end of the
okay, now this is even less of a real Mai Tai. This is not a 46. This is more of kind of like Trader Vic's Hawaiian Mai Tai.
By the end of the show, that'll be a good drink by the time you finish.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Got a couple ideas here. Okay, taste test 2.
Okay.
Real fruit juice.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers. I bet this is going to be delicious.
It's better?
Better.
It's better.
Yeah, it tastes a little bit less artificial.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm not saying there's artificial stuff. I mean, it says there's no artificial ingredients, but
idea is just like,
this tastes
fresher.
Yeah, it tastes a little fresher, it pops a little bit more. It's a little bit nicer.
It's a healthier drink.
Healthy drink. That's all we have here, are healthy drinks.
Okay.
Oh, we're done with the K-bar?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna do a 1/4 ounce. I'll pour it so you don't have to worry about your
Getting
lovely
my
dress.
Dress dirty.
Yes.
It's very top of mind.
1/4 of an ounce. Okay. You may do the honors.
Okay. Alrighty.
Beautiful.
And then
Now we can do the 2 dashes Angostura.
he likes to do the dashes.
I do like to do the dashes. 1, 2. And don't get fussy. Don't be like, oh, he's using the big bottle. He shouldn't do that. Listen, it'll be okay. We'll be fine.
It won't be okay.
It's not too much Angostura. Everything is fine.
And now our dark rum.
2 ounces of our dark rum.
2 ounces.
Right exactly to the line.
Nice.
Wonderful.
Perfect.
Sometimes I don't mind if you go a little bit over on the rum, but all right, that's okay. And we'll ice that up.
Shaking it up.
Everybody's already seen the thumbnail, so it's not that big of a deal, but
Bummer.
we do have these beautiful glasses. Look at that.
What?
The actual glassware that they use originally. Here it goes. Nice red, beautiful red color for the Shingle Stain.
Oh, that's gorgeous. Love it.
And then there's one more exciting thing that goes on top of this drink, and that is this.
Oh.
Okay, so what we have there is the little topper that goes on top of this drink. We're gonna fold it. It tells a little story, and let's take a look at that. So, all right, so what we do is we fold this little guy in half, like so, and it actually says Shingle Stain on it. Oh yes, like that. Beautiful, perfect. We have this guy, he's painting the shingles on his house. You got the little roof here, as you can see. And lo and behold, as he's painting the red shingles, he sees a bra come over the peak of the roof. And it's this young lady on the other side is tempting our gentleman.
Very salacious.
Being flirty, and I love it. This is fabulous. Ladies first.
Oh, okay. That's so good. That's a almost perfect drink.
Yeah, I knew off the bat.
Tangy. It's not sweet at all. I guess there really isn't that much like sugars in it. Oh, except the grenadine. But yeah, the juices mingle very nice, and it's wow, that's a nice, well-balanced drink. So there you got it. Yeah.
I feel like you could use a little bit of sweetness.
A little bit more.
Yeah, it's a little bit almost on the tart side, but it's still pretty
I like it.
darn good.
It's not often you get like a tarts drink that's not alcohol forward.
Oh, true.
It's very balanced. I do not like extremely alcohol forward drinks, so this is a nice balance, but not sweet. So this would be like a perfect drink for me because it's not too sweet and not alcohol forward.
Nice, yeah. Kind of like that the ginger spice cocktail we made a little while ago.
It's a little bit sweeter, but yeah, like it's a good summer drink, I think, because it's not overly sweet. I think in the winter you want something a little more heavier with flavors, but this is very much lighter, kind of more floral, and just a good, like, has that tartness to it. I really like that.
Well, there you have it. Another delicious drink, not so delicious drink, but
yeah,
I think it was overall success, and now we're going to make a real Mai Tai after this, so.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
Happy Tiki Tuesday to you.
Happy Tiki Tuesday.
And aloha.